The Prime Minister has visited Kokrajhar town, the epicenter of the ethnic clashes that have seen more than 50 deaths in Lower Assam. An assistance package of more than 300 crores has been announced. It's still unclear, however, how the government intends to remove the fear factor here. Terrified people in camps, as many as 4 lakh people, are just too scared to return to their homes.
In just 24 hours, a dramatic transformation at the Commerce College Relief Camp at Kokrajhar, temporarily home to more than 1,500 people displaced in the Assam riots. This relief camp was one among 2 that Prime Minister Manmohan Singh visited in Kokrajhar on Saturday. An assistance of more than 300 crore rupees was announced by the Prime Minister.
आप लोग 14 साल से रिलीफ कैंप में क्यों रह रहे हो? आप लोग वापस गांव क्यों नहीं जाता?
नहीं, अभी तो पहले तो संकट हो के यहाँ आया है,
हाँ।
और जाने नहीं सकता है।
क्यों नहीं? डर लगता है आपको?
डर लगता है तो
14 साल का बाद भी आपका डर खत्म नहीं हुआ?
खत्म नहीं हुआ।
ये मुझे जान के बहुत अफसोस हुआ है कि ये दर्दनाक जो वाक़यात हुई हैं ये नहीं होने चाहिए। ये हमारे मुल्क के माथे पे कलंक है। हमको सबको मिल के ये कोशिश करनी चाहिए कि एक बार फिर सद्भावना का बहाल हो।
यहाँ आया, विजिट किया, उसके बाद अगर एक्शन नहीं लिया गया तो आने का मतलब क्या हुआ? कुछ भी नहीं। यहाँ आके चेहरा दिखा के चला गया, वो तो हम नहीं मानेंगे। हमको चाहिए इमीडिएट रिजल्ट।
What the Prime Minister did not get to see was the condition at the 200-odd relief camps that are functioning in other affected areas of Lower Assam.
2 days after miscreants came into the Duramari relief camp 25 kilometers away from Kokrajhar and vandalized this entire place, there are still telltale signs all over about the kind of destruction that's happened over here.
We will work closely with the state government to provide a sense of security to all the affected areas to ensure that they can go back to their houses secure in the knowledge that their lives and livelihood are secure. These tragic circumstances.
But the highlight of the Prime Minister's press conference was a question on the blame game on between the centre and the state over inaction in the initial days of the riots.
I didn't say.
Hardly convincing for most people in relief camps who say they are too scared to even think of going home. It's this crisis of confidence that both Manmohan Singh and Assam Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi have to address. But there were no clear answers from either leader on how this will be done. NDTV Bureau Report.